If you're looking to get into an excellent motorcycle product from Indian, but don't want to spend the money on a new bike, here's a previously loved 2016 Chieftain Darkhorse. Darkhorse refers to the what Indian calls thunder black smoke, what Harley calls black denim, what most folks call matte black. Yep, late model, only 2 years old, with well under 7,000 miles. Nice looking bike. Can easily, excuse me, be altered to accommodate a passenger. Just need a sissy bar and a different seat. Bike features a 111 cubic inch V-twin engine, 6-speed transmission, and great looks. This would look incredible in your garage. Look better in your garage than it does on our showroom or in our studio, and is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.